In today's video, I'm going to be talking about loose hairs popping up all over the freaking place. Why does this happen when we're on a lock journey? Are we doing something wrong? Can it be prevented? Stay tuned. So before we get into the nitty-gritty, I would ask that you guys do 3 things for a brother. Please hit the subscribe button. Please hit that bell next to it so that you get the notifications when I post. And please like the video. And if you really want to go far and beyond, share the video. So for those of you who may not know, because I've gotten quite a few new subscribers lately, new Sebbies, I am Atreyu. Welcome to the Atreyu channel. This channel is all about spreading positivity and exhibiting unconditional love. I address topics such as lock care and lock repair and a whole lot more. So let's get to this question. It comes from Vanilda S, or maybe Vanilda S, but I'm thinking Vanilda S. It's a nice name. I've never seen that name before. Vanilda S writes, "Thank you. Love your videos. I want to ask you a question to help me understand this process. I'm now almost 6 months locked, and I have loose hairs all over my head. I have since the 2nd month, but now it is difficult to control. My question is, how does the loose hairs happen? Do the strings come out of the twist? How?" So this is a really good question, Vanilda, and I kind of consider myself a bit of an expert when it comes to this sort of thing, because more times than not, it has to do with the fact that your hair grows away from your locks. I first learned about this phenomenon from Yanni the lockologist. She was the first person that I ever heard describe 2 types of lockers. People whose new growth grows into the lock, and people whose hair grows away from the lock. So I'm thinking, if you have all these hairs popping up all over the place, it sounds like it might be a good chance that you are someone whose hair grows away from your locks. I am as well. I don't know if you can tell right now, but yeah, my last retwist was on the 16th of June. It is now July 5th, and yeah, I have all these loose hairs all over the place, okay? So yes, the answer to your question is sometimes the hairs do come out, right? That's just gonna kind of happen sometimes. Something else that it could be is what I just said. Your hair, the new growth that's growing out of your scalp, it's not going into the lock, it's not growing into the lock. So the result is just frizz and like a mini fro. Also, something else that I spoke about in a video I did a really long time ago was hair growth cycles. So every strand has a hair life cycle, and once it's done, right? And you get new hairs that sprout up that were never part of your lock as well. And so that could also be part of the reason that you have the frizz all over your scalp, just hairs popping up all over the place. I would say the best thing that you can do, Vanilda, is to make sure you do whatever maintenance you do. I don't know if you retwist. You said twist, so I'm thinking that you probably retwist. Make sure that you retwist often enough to reincorporate those hairs back into the locks, because if you don't, I learned the hard way, if you don't, then your locks will thin out, okay? Another option is braiding that new growth around your locks. That might be a lot of work if you have a lot of locks that are having this issue, but that's also something else that you can do. I have a video on that, so you can check that out as well. So hopefully this answers your questions. Loose hairs happen for a variety of reasons. As I said, it could be because it came out, as you suggested, when you did your last retwist, it didn't stay. It could be that your hair grows away from your locks, which is really what I'm thinking your case is. Or it could be a matter of the hair life cycle of certain hairs ending while new ones are beginning. Okay, so don't freak out. Just make sure that you do your maintenance often enough so that your locks don't thin out. Okay. Alright, hope this helps. Let me know if you have any more questions. And for the rest of you Sebbies, if you want me to answer any of your questions in an Ask Atreyu video, please send them my way. As always, please learn to love unconditionally, because loving with conditions conditions the heart to not really love at all. Atreyu is out.